Yeah, dear friends, if a farmer approaches you and asks, find out and show me which are healthy seeds and unhealthy seeds by giving you all groundnut seeds. So then, just me conduct one simple experiment to find out which are healthy seeds and unhealthy seeds. To conduct this experiment, just I need beaker, water, and spoon and groundnut seeds. So I take all these groundnut seeds and I put one by one also. I am putting seeds into the water also, and again some more seeds I take and I put into the water. Later on, I stir it well with the help of spoon. Just I stir it well, and just let me see what happens. Come on, check my dear friends. Some seeds you are observing, some seeds at the bottom of the container, and some seeds are floating at the top side of the container. The seeds which are floating at the top side of the container are called as unhealthy seeds, and the seeds which have settled at the bottom side of the container, which are called as healthy seeds. Don't you consider this is a simple experiment to confine healthy seeds as well as unhealthy seeds within no time, and even you can help to farmer. Thank you very much.